guys, welcome to Smita's Urban Kitchen. Here I share simple, easy recipes, homemade, gourmet. So, just recipes from around the world, but not time consuming. I like it to be fast, easy, colorful, nutritious, something which your family will love and will save you time so that you can do everything else. So, I just wanted to share this. It's my turmeric water, just a glass of warm water with a pinch of turmeric and about 4 or 5 fenugreek seeds. So 4 or 5 methi seeds, haldi, and I keep sipping on this all day. Just keeps my throat cleared up. It's a great antioxidant, antiseptic for the organs, and just keeps me healthy. So drink up, stay healthy, and follow me on YouTube and Instagram at Smita's Urban Kitchen. So don't forget Smita's Urban Kitchen. Please subscribe and follow, and let me share my recipes with you guys, okay? So let's get cooking.